Good evening, everyone. I am Manjula with you. Allegation of abuse. Austrian Prime Minister resigns. The Central European country of Austria Prime Minister Sebastian Kurz has resigned over allegation of abuse. From 2016 to 2018, Sebastian Kurz is accused of spending government money on a newspaper to publish pro-People's Party opinion polls. In connection with this affair, an investigation is underway against various leaders of the People's Party, including Sebastian. It is in this context that Prime Minister has resigned from his post. He will be replaced by Alexandre Schallenberg, the country's current foreign minister, as the country's new Prime Minister. Intensity of monsoon precautionary measures. Gagandeep Singh Bedi. With just 15 days to go before the onset of the northeast monsoon, the monsoon is in full swing in Chennai, said Corporation Commissioner Gagandeep Singh Bedi. The northeast monsoon has started in Tamil Nadu this year. During the rainy season, in cities like Chennai, it is common for water to stagnate on the road. Chennai was hit by heavy floods in 2015 due to insufficient preparations. The Tamil Nadu government is taking precautionary measures against rain to prevent such disasters. Measures such as aligning pools and repairing drains are progressing rapidly. Action to bring Tamil Nadu to the forefront of exports. Chief Minister Stalin has said that a series of steps will be taken to bring Tamil Nadu to the forefront of exports in India. Speaking at the event in Chennai, he said, Tamil Nadu is the most suitable state for business investment in South Asia. The government is taking steps to rehabilitate the infrastructure to start new businesses. The objective of the government of Tamil Nadu is to develop all districts and all sections. During the 4-month rule of the DMK government, the industry has revived. A series of steps are being taken to bring Tamil Nadu, the third largest export state in India, to the forefront. Thus spoke Chief Stalin. Environmental Oscars Prize. 2 Indians in final round. The Royal Family's Royal Foundation annually presents prizes to 5 people under the name Tot Shot to encourage those involved in environmental protection, has been shortlisted for the final round of this year's competition. They include Vinisha Uma Shankar and Vidyut Mohan from India. Vinisha Uma Shankar, a school girl from Tamil Nadu, has developed a solar-powered trolley iron box model. With this, there is a better alternative to charcoal ironing boards, which is environmentally friendly. In addition, Vidyut Mohan's Takasa company buys agricultural waste and provides an environmentally friendly charcoal service. As a result, agricultural waste is incinerated in and around Delhi and environmental damage is avoided. The duo have been shortlisted for the final round of the Headshot Prize competition for these services. The 5 recipients will receive a cash prize of rupees 10 crore approximately, according to PTI. We will not submit to China, says Taiwanese president. China has been pushing militarily to annex Taiwan to their country. However, Taiwan is not subject to those pressures. Taiwan will actively fight to defend democracy. Taiwan will not take any emergency action to protect itself from China. However, the country's security will be strengthened to the point where no one can force Taiwan to listen to what China has to say. China's approach to Taiwan is against democracy and the sovereignty of a country of 2.3 million people. The recent incursion of Chinese warplanes into the Taiwan air border poses the greatest threat to the country's security. As a result of the move, tensions have risen to levels not seen in the last 72 years. We are ready to hold peace talks with China. However, he acknowledged that their numbers were not enough to defeat Taiwan's Tibetan government. Taiwan's Adibas Tsai Ing-wen has vowed not to bow to Chinese pressure to invade their country. Priyanka worshipped at temples in Varanasi. Congress General Secretary Priyanka, who went to attend a rally in Varanasi, Prime Minister Modi's constituency, worshipped at the temples there. Uttar Pradesh is set to hold assembly elections next year. The Congress is engaged in preparing the party for this. Following this, she plans to stay there for 5 days every month and carry out party work. Have an excellent day. See you again. Thank you.